welcome back to Crafty Q. So I want to show you guys how I actually made this very cute and easy table centerpiece. So you can use this for weddings, or like I have it used here, I have it just as a table decoration, and it only takes a few items to make and some few easy steps. All right, so let's get started. Hey guys, so the items that you need to make this very cute centerpiece is a box. I got my box from Michael's, I believe. You might even be able to find some boxes at the dollar store. It doesn't really matter what's on the box. You can actually paint it white or cover it. But for me, it was just easier just to go to Michael's and find a white box. You'll need scissors. You need your glue gun. You'll need your diamond wrap, which I also got from Michael's on sale. You'll need a rubber band. I'm using a hair tie just because that's all I could find. And then you need a bundle of these flowers. Now these aren't your typical like dollar store flowers. These actually bend very easily. And the reason I chose these is because I don't want to actually use the foam that normally people will actually put inside and then actually flower arrange to create a flower ball. I wanted something a lot easier and a lot quicker. So this is what you do. You take your diamond wrap and you measure it around your box. You go all the way around, and you're going to cut it, to the length and width of your box. You're going to actually hot glue this on. The reason I'm not doing this is because I'm actually going to use gold wrap, and I don't actually have any at the moment, but it's going to be the same steps. So again, you're just going to put some hot glue gun all around the box, and then as you do that, you just layer, or actually just add your cut diamond wrap going all the way around the box. So once you have your box made, it should look something like this. And next, you're going to take your bundle of flowers. I'll put a link in the bottom of this video to actually show you where I got these flowers. And they have them in all different colors, and I really like these. Like I said, the stems are bendable, so you can shape your flowers into any kind of shape that you need. So once you just group these all together, and let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So actually, this is like a bundle of 20, about 20, 25. It could be a little thicker, but for my purpose, this works out fine. So once you just put them all together and you bundle them up, you take your rubber band and you just tie that around a few times. So that's kind of tight. Not too tight, because you need to be able to still be able to shape your flowers in the way you want. So at this point, I'm going to actually, the flower bundle is actually taller than the box, but because the stems are bendable, I actually kind of curve them like this, and then actually stick them in the box. And from here is when you're going to go through and pull some stems up and pull the roses up to create that flower ball look. So like again, by using these type of flowers, I don't have to use any styrofoam, any type of flower base, and it's done very quickly. And you can kind of play around with it to get that look that you want, kind of smush them slightly, kind of use the rose petals, spread them out a little bit to cover any open spaces. And there you have it, you guys. Like, I'm gonna play around with it a little bit more just to get that look that I want. You can bend the flowers up some, but the overall look is very cute. Like I said, it's very easy to do. You don't have to worry about flower arranging using the styrofoam. And there you have it, you guys. Like